You! What is up, boys? Today we're actually up on the Pee Wee, up here in Idaho, Priest Lake, Idaho. And right now, so this year we cut down this tree for firewood. I'm going down here to get some dry wood. And boys, welcome to the channel. Please like and subscribe. 500 subscriber giveaway. And the boys are freaking screaming up there. They're talking about buttholes in the air. Kind of weird, but you know, it's all good. So, can't really find any dry wood right now because it literally just got done snowing. We were riding through some snow. And right now we're gonna start this fire. We cut down this tree too. We got a lot of good firewood this year. Oh, here's some dry wood. Oh, the boys are gonna be jealous about this stuff. Look at that. Yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. This fire is gonna get going good. Okay, now let's bring this up here. Yeah, boys, I hope you enjoy this video. Basically, we just came up here to clean out the trail for everybody else. And so far, there's been one Jeep up here that's really been cleaning it out.
Fuck up!
Yeah, Kyle likes to scream, but we're good. All right, guys, we're gonna get this fire going, so let's get it. All right, guys, so now, in a little bit, I'm gonna throw the GoPro on my head once we start moving again. We're just warming up because it's cold. Yeah. I think there might be a Jeep coming. Maybe, I don't know.
Okay, I don't want to throw stuff on you. No, go ahead, it's good.
Go ahead, do it! Holy crap!
Oh, that was a good one. That's freaking awesome.
You're gonna be in the video!
Oh, man.
Yeah! Good! Yeah! Dude! Those Can-Ams are freaking crazy. I got pelted by a log.
He's like, I don't want to street. No, man. We like it. We like it.
That was awesome.
Shit.
Dude, they are mobbing. Holy moly. Look how much they freaking changed since the King Quad.
Imagine if the King Quad could do that.
Like, no, I don't
Dude.
want to you guys. No, man, go.
Go!
Fucking it's taking sticks like this.
Alright, boys, we're rolling out. Now we're gonna go down the trail that way. Oh, get it. Now we're gonna go down that trail, see if there's any logs and snow. Those freaking Can-Ams are crazy. So I think we gotta head out now. So I'll check back in with you as soon as we're leaving. so I just cut that tree with the hatchet. Now we're coming over to Kyle and Caleb. They just cut that out of the way. Kyle just got a new DeWalt little electric chainsaw, which is pretty sweet. So this here's a mess. Yeah, I think this is a mess. Holy cow. Oh boys, this is a mess. Holy cow. Well, man, that was a big moose. Dude, that DeWalt works good. Heck yeah. All right, well, we'll set you up on time lapse again and we'll get this. All right, guys, so just got that cleaned up pretty good. Kyle's working on some more right there. This looks way better than it did. Caleb's coming back. Yeah, there's some snow part. Got that cut up. All this good stuff. Heck yeah.
Holy cow! This is amazing, guys! You gotta freaking subscribe for this view, or at least like the video. Caleb, where are you going? Oh yeah, that's a shortcut.
Yeah, I'll follow you, bro. Alright, so Caleb thought we should try climbing this hill. So I'll give her a try, because you know. Alright. That's a fun one. Oh yeah. Huh? I'm just gonna coast down this, guys. Save some fuel. Cause you know, Biden freaking making everything so expensive. Frick. Boys, I was filming and my freaking GoPro was on picture mode and I just wrecked. So we were going over this bridge, freaking hurt. Going over this bridge, and then I did a burnout, and I wrecked right into there. Oh my gosh, I landed on my leg. It did not fit. Frick, dude.
I can bend it back easily.
Dude.
Let's go. This trench lift.
Yeah! Come on, Caleb, be sick, nobody don't. Okay, now I'm gonna make sure that the GoPro is not on photo mode, so if I eat crap again. Okay, boys. Let's get these machines home. Ah! Yeah, dude!
Put it in neutral real quick.
It's fine.
Kyle, remember that?
Good gosh, dude. What are you doing? Stop. Goodness. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching today's video. We got some pretty good trails cleared for the freaking everybody else that uses them. So this is day one. We're gonna do a day two too. So there's gonna be 2 videos on one thing. So next one's probably just gonna be us ripping up and down the trails and stuff. But thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. And we got 500 subscriber giveaway. So let's get it, guys. You.